King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. If you are interested in learning how to make this apple swirl lip gloss, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start by pouring this leftover Ready Gloss that I had. I had a little bit left at the bottom, so I'm trying to get all of it out. So I'm going to start pouring what I can into these two bowls. Now I'm going to weigh it and see how much gloss base I have, and I have 4.5 ounces. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the second bowl. I'm trying to get as much of this gloss base out because I don't want to waste any of it because it's that amazing. And remember, with Ready Gloss, you don't have to add anything except for flavoring oils and the lip liquid colors. If you want to know where to purchase Ready Gloss for your business, then it will be linked in the description below, along with everything else that I use in today's video. And now I'm going to weigh our second gloss base bowl, and I have 5.2 ounces of gloss base. So for our green color, I'm going to be using our TKB avocado concentrate color, and for the flavoring oil, I'm going to be using sour apple with the brand Obrilo. Now we're going to go ahead and mix that color and the flavoring oil into the gloss base that already has everything that you need. So now to our second bowl of gloss base, I'm going to be adding the chocolate brown pigment color and the caramel apple flavoring oil, and I'm going to be adding 1 drop of white into that green bowl just because I felt like the color was grainy, but we will get to that. I'm also going to be adding the pigment red lip liquid to the second bowl as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and add 1 drop of that pigment red and 1 drop of that chocolate brown into this second bowl. And here I am adding the caramel apple flavoring oil from Get Suckered. So now I'm going to take my 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill the tubes. I'm going to take a little bit of gloss base from each of the bowls, going back and forth. So this is when I noticed that the green color was a little bit grainy looking. So this is where I'm going to add 1 drop of that white, and it's going to turn into a solid green color, and then everything is going to be perfect. Now that the green is nice and solid looking, everything is looking a-okay. I'm loving this marble looking Swirl Apple lip gloss. So once I'm finally finished filling all of the tubes, this is the beautiful outcome. Now I'm going to go ahead and add all of the stoppers and the caps to all of the wand tubes and squeeze tubes. Now it is time to give our glosses a gloss bath. Gloss baths just contain soap and water, and they are great for giving your glosses extra sanitization, and they help prevent sticky tubes. Wow, just look at this gloss. It's so beautiful. I love the outcome. I hope you guys do too, and I hope you guys are looking forward to all of these Halloween themed glosses, and I will catch you in my next video.
King got the hammer in the king king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring.